Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a basket made of paper. Gather recycled paper, glue, scissors, a ruler, and a heavy book, then cut long, even strips and crease them. Start by weaving a tight square base, working rows outward and maintaining even tension. After the base is wide enough, bend strips upward to form walls and continue weaving until you reach the desired height for your basket. Now we focus on the base and how to keep it flat and sturdy for long-term use. Place an even number of strips horizontally, then weave vertical strips through them, alternating over and under. Keep each row snug and push rows together as you go to avoid gaps. When the base reaches the size you want, trim and tuck excess ends, adding glue beneath the base to lock everything into place cleanly and securely. Quick recommendation: if you like organized crafting, try leak-proof containers for storing leftover strips and small finished baskets. They keep glue and bits tidy. They seal tight, stack easily, and make cleanup faster, which saves time between projects. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and consider subscribing and liking if this video helped you. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we build the walls by bending the base strips up and weaving additional strips around them. Work slowly and keep tension consistent so the walls rise evenly and do not bulge. If a row loosens, gently tighten it before adding the next row. Once you reach the desired height, fold the top edges inward, glue or tuck the ends, and press with a heavy book until dry to create a neat, durable rim for your paper basket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.